Gotify is a self-hosted notification service that promises streamlined communication. But does it deliver on that promise? Today, we're taking a closer look at what Gotify offers and whether it's worth your time and resources. Gotify is designed to send notifications in a simple, efficient manner, primarily appealing to developers and tech-savvy users. The core functionality revolves around a user-friendly interface that allows you to create and manage notifications effortlessly. You can set it up on your own server, which gives you full control over your data, a significant plus for privacy-minded users. Upon first glance, the interface feels clean and straightforward, making it easy to navigate through different features. You can create notification channels and send messages to them using their API. However, one area that feels a bit lacking is the documentation. It's not as comprehensive as some might hope, which could lead to confusion for new users. The intended audience seems to be developers looking for customizable solutions, but casual users might find it a bit too technical. Overall, while the setup is manageable, the lack of extensive documentation could be a hurdle for those not familiar with self-hosting. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, Gotify offers great flexibility and control over notifications, and being self-hosted means you can ensure your data privacy. The interface is user-friendly, which is a relief for users who might not be as tech-savvy. However, there are downsides. The biggest frustration is the sparse documentation, which can leave users in the dark, especially during setup. Additionally, since it's self-hosted, you'll need to manage the server and its maintenance, which might not be ideal for everyone. If you're not comfortable with self-hosting or need a more plug-and-play solution, you might want to explore alternatives. On the flip side, if you're a developer looking for a customizable and private notification system, Gotify could be a solid fit. In conclusion, Gotify is a promising self-hosted notification service that excels in privacy and customization. However, its technical nature and limited documentation might deter some users. If you're comfortable with self-hosting and want control over your notifications, it's worth a try. Otherwise, you might want to look for simpler alternatives.